Hello, warm welcome to you to my channel Dr.Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video, we will try to understand how the leaders can invest their much vital resources, time and energy. In the previous video also we have discussed about this very topic. In this video also we will continue discussing this crucial role of a leader. Okay, so any leader is also human and any leader's time and energy are definitely limited. So the thing is, leaders need not be the problem solvers all the time. Leaders should not limit their role only to the problem solving role. Okay, like as and when the need or as and when a situation arises, the leaders should not always jump in and try to resolve everything on their own. Leadership is all about getting things done, delegating things, empowering employees, teaching them, coaching them, making them authentic, empowered. Okay, so that is leadership and true leadership is all about. Okay, so here we are trying to understand how a leader can really coach their employees to become more empowered, more informed, more acknowledged, more authentic, okay, and more, valued, so that they can really resolve the issues on all by themselves, and leader can focus on more important, on the business leadership roles, as we have discussed in the other video. So here this coaching mindset can be developed by GROW model, GROW, which is an acronym. This is developed by Sir John Whitmore. This is popularly known as Whitmore model, where GROW, GROW, they stand for different elements which the leader can teach and coach their employees. Okay, and through appropriate questioning style, through appropriate coaching style, they can empower their employees to make the decisions, and the leader can save his own time and energy so that he can invest on more productive and more long-term and strategic issues. Okay, see, G for goals. Here the leader has to ask questions to uncover the issues and desired outcome. Okay, questions to uncover the issue when there is an issue or when there is a conflict or when there is a situation. The first thing the leader has to ask or leader has to do is to ask questions so that he can discover what really is happening and what could be the desired outcomes. Okay, what is happening and what could be the outcome of that situation. Okay, so he can ask questions like, what do you want to accomplish? Or what are the primary issues or challenges in this particular situation? By asking these questions, he can get primary and first-hand information about the situation. Okay, also the people who are answering the leader, they also will develop a perspective. They also will understand what the leader is expecting them to do. Okay, they also what do you want to accomplish, through this situation or through this condition or issue, what is that you are going to accomplish? Okay, and what are the primary issues or challenges, like what is keeping you from making a decision, or what is bothering you, what are the challenges you are facing, okay, or what are the issues that you foresee or you see from this kind of situation. So these kind of questions can be posed. Okay, next, reality. Reality are questions to uncover their perspective. Here the leader need to understand the perspective of the followers or of the subordinates. Okay, he can understand their perspective by asking questions like, tell me more about the situation, or what is getting in the way of success. So by asking questions like this, he can really understand the perspective of the subordinates or of the followers. Leader himself will be very well informed, as well as he will be informed about the perspective or about the thought process of the subordinates, what they are thinking. Okay, from their perspective, what is the problem or what is the situation, and what is keeping them from resolving the situation. And options. O for options. Here leader can ask questions to generate possibilities and solutions. Okay, the leader can probe, or leader can drive the subordinates or the followers towards generating possibilities and solutions, because leader is not here to do everything on all by himself. Okay, so leaders can question the subordinates like, what are your ideas for the next steps? What are you trying to do to resolve this kind of a situation? Okay, and how do you think you should move forward? So here leader is asking, leader is showing the employees a way forward. The leader is trying to get his perspective, and leader is trying to drive the employees or the subordinates towards solutions, towards options to resolve that particular situation. Okay, and way forward, W, way forward. Here leader can ask questions to define actions and accountability. Okay, the leader is trying to find out solutions to fix that problem or to fix that situation, and make the subordinates accountable for that solution. Okay, by asking questions like, what are your next steps? Or how will you keep me informed of progress? So by asking such questions about the future or about resolving the issue and keeping and bringing in the solution to the issue, and also at the same time keeping the leader posted or informed. Okay, by asking such questions, the leader here is showing the subordinates the way forward, how the issue to be resolved and how it should be kept informed, or how the leader is to be kept informed about the situation. So here the thing is, like, the leader is not losing his control. The leader is not giving away his control or giving up his authority. Here what the leader is trying to do is to help the subordinates come up with their own perspective, their own solution, and trying to make the subordinates accountable for the situation. That is the true essence of coaching style of leadership. Okay, the leader is very much present in the situation here. But what he is trying to do is, he is trying to empower the employees, and he is also trying to keep himself very much updated with the situation, but he is not involving himself in every situation here. Okay, he is not doing the problem solving part all by himself. Instead, he is directing the employees or the subordinates to take charge of the situation, to come up with solutions and be accountable for the outcomes. That is the beauty of leadership and the true essence of leadership, and this is how leaders can really empower the employees, at the same time save their much valuable time and energy for much better purposes. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you.